We have got one of my favorite cars. Swear to God, this thing is amazing. 67 Chevelle convertible. The fit and finishes are extraordinary. We'll talk all about the body that's pristine. The interior is off the charts. LS1 motor, manual 6-speed, of course, vintage air, Willwood brakes, all the good stuff. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. This body and paint far exceeds what it was like brand new. When I say laser straight, I mean every square inch of it is laser straight. It has the SS hood on it, all clean. The gaps are so precise, square, flush, like a Mercedes, absolutely pristine. They cleaned it up. There's no emblems, barely any moldings on the car. It's just a nice, clean look. Look at that gap, right on the money. The jambs are painted just as slick. Quarter panels pristine. There's actually a power antenna here. It's painted silver on top. They did such a nice job of that. This trunk gap is pristine. No rust, no damage, no shrinkage, no cracking. Not even here. There's not even a tiny crack where they all crack here. Not even a small crack. All of this is just outstanding. Look at the silver paint all the way down to the bottom. Fantastic. Lines up, square, flush. Look at the jam, painted slick. Shuts nice and solid. Now I'm going to tell you something. This car has 23,000 miles on it since it's been redone. Unfortunately, the gentleman passed away. We bought it from his wife. She said they restored the car. They enjoyed the car. I can tell you this is probably one of the most meticulous people that would have ever had a classic car, because it looks like it has 200 miles on it. So the car's been done to show quality, and it's been maintained to show quality, and it's been driven and enjoyed. That's what it's all about. It's like a Cortez silver, all laid out evenly and polished like glass. Every piece of trim, the louvers here, the stainless moldings are polished like chrome. The vent window frames, all of it is done. The rubber gaskets, the fuzzy seals, door handles, all of it's redone. It has a black cloth convertible, Haartz cloth top, very rich looking. All the framework is painted a nice semi-gloss black. All the weather strips are replaced. Everything back here, the moldings, tail lights, the bumper, the lenses, all of that has been redone. It has a perfect stance sitting on 18-inch rocket wheels. They're wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires. The tire is a little bit meatier in the back, gives it a little bit of a stance. And up front, the bumper, the grill, all that's redone as well. Let's open it up. I got a lot more great things to show you. Cutter's Hot Rod Interiors did the interior, and I'm telling you that now because inside the trunk is upholstered like the interior. Look at underneath this panel that was made and padded and stitched and fit real nicely, and still the paint is all slick, stainless bolts, the jam is smooth, the rubber's new. Now look inside here, it's all boxed. It has these little latches that lets you open it. There's a gel battery in there and a big master disconnect switch. Everything is got the sound deadener. He has a mat on top of the carpet. Even little fuzzies in here. Just the amount of detail in this car is ridiculous. Take a look at this antenna since you're here. Look at the precision work there. This car is unbelievable. Even has the little fuzzies in here. Oh, they're missing. No, they're just folded in, but they're there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. You can also see the convertible top on our website, volocars.com. Again, the jambs are slick. The weather strips are replaced. and a full-blown custom interior. Look at the molded, sculpted door panels with the speakers down in the front corners, custom handles. This shop does high-end upholstery work. I went on their Facebook page and actually scrolled down and found this car. And the padded dash is all redone. The gauges, all digital in the middle and analog, and they light up red. And I know that because I drove this car. They put the Sirius satellite, see how it's like countersunk into the dash pad? That's the detail I'm talking about. All this metal is painted the same color red. You have some nice backlit vintage air controls. The panel here, it says Malibu. It's not a Super Sport clone. It is what it is. Not much room in there because you got air conditioning parts behind it. Look at these lower panels with the vents. Nice custom kick panels. Looks like there's more speakers. No, that's not a speaker. Carpeted mats with the carpet underneath it. New GM stuck in their red seat belts. Oops. And stereo system here, Bluetooth. A Haartz shifter. The cup holder lights up red. Here's a USB plug right here. You got a nice armrest and compartment. Very comfortable seats. You got cup holders in back and the same carpet with mats, same red seat belts, all custom upholstered side to side, custom made boot to match. And again, the fit in here, nothing is peeling or falling down or wrinkled. It's all amazing. Even the visors were made to match, and look at how it's stitched so nicely. The mirror is new. Even the steering wheel was upholstered the same, and it's on a tilt column, and it's all new wiring, clutch and brake pedals. All that's new. It looks like there's a few footprints on that carpet mat there. Those will clean up. They weren't there a couple days ago. They might be mine. I actually drove this to a car show. I picked up my father-in-law who just had open heart surgery and figured I'd get him out of the house, and I wanted a car that I knew was reliable, and I chose this one. LS1 motor, BBK, it's an SS1 intake, the BBK 85 millimeter throttle body. It's all painted that same red as the interior. Has Hedman headers. Now check out the firewall. Not just a smooth firewall, but it actually has shape to it. Really cool looking firewall. It has these nice billet hinges that I love. Look at the inner fenders. There's no factory holes punched. It's all smooth. The heat and AC lines run behind the fender. Polished components with billet pulleys and belt. Polished AC compressor. Custom made front radiator cover. AFCO aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, polished overflow. Custom made cold air intake. Chrome modern, looks like a one-wire alternator. Modern power steering. Willwood master cylinder, new wiper motor. And look at how the cowl tag is actually countersunk. See how the firewall was made? Normally it's on the firewall, but this whole panel was all custom. I would assume that's the hydraulic reservoir for the hydraulic clutch. MSD plug wires on there. Michael's going to show you how nice it drives, looking under the hood, and we'll see you back here in a few minutes.
Everybody, and this is a nice Chevelle LS1 under the hood. It's fuel injected. I've driven it a couple times already, started it a couple times already, and yeah, it just functions really, really well. Seems to run great. We do have the air conditioning on right now. That does blow nice and cold. And then it has the Bluetooth head unit there. So lots of modern features on this one. It's got cup holders too, front and back, which is also really nice. Power steering as well as a 6-speed manual trans, and I tell you, the shifter, man, this thing runs real smooth. Clicks basically from one gear to the next. Very user friendly. Let's see what she's got. And just like that, we're doing a little bit over 60 miles an hour. Bump it down into 6th gear, see where she's sitting. 60 looks like about 1,800 RPMs. So yeah, go ahead, get out on the highway, take a long way to the cruise night. Just a, an older Chevelle that really functions like a much more modern vehicle. And let's not forget about this custom interior that is absolutely gorgeous and comfortable as well. So total winner all the way around, no matter how you look at her. Oh, and check out our webpage, volocars.com, for all the undercarriage upgrades and different pictures, and come take it for a test drive if you'd like. You're always welcome here.
I could spend the next hour talking about how awesome this car is. Look at the colors too, the silver with the red, that is incredible. So underneath is all done too. Suspension and steering completely rebuilt, and it is upgraded. Up front, it has big fat tubular upper and lower control arms with QA1 coilover adjustable gas shocks, upgraded sway bar. In back, it's all rebuilt, also has a sway bar and the QA1 adjustable gas shocks. Custom dual exhaust, it sounds real nice. Stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. Has the Willwood brakes. I don't know if that's called the big brake kit because the rotors, the discs are pretty big. Drilled and slotted. Red calipers, and there's 6 piston in front. That's usually on high-end sports cars. You have the red calipers back there. The e-brake system is all custom. Fuel system was all replaced, and of course it's compatible with the fuel-injected motor. When you look up at the motor, it's all painted red, like on top, as a Holley aluminum oil pan. That is a 6-speed Tremec manual transmission. Rebuilt drive shaft goes back to the rear end. It was rebuilt with 342 posi gears. The floors are restored, all solid frame. I'm telling you, you can go look at, test drive 100 cars, and I bet this would be in the top 2. It's beautiful, and it functions so well. Again, I personally drove this, took my father-in-law out, went to a car show, really enjoyed it. Shifting those gears, I love it. Amazing car. Matter of fact, please don't buy it. I'd like to keep it around here. It's one of my favorites. Go to volocars.com. If you insist on buying it, salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, can help with that too. Thanks for watching.